This is a 2009 Ford Taurus. This Ford's list of numerous features includes power adjustable driver pedals, memory seats, a 7-speaker audio system, satellite radio, side curtain airbags, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 21,000 miles. It features a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile helps leave money in your pocket where you want it. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this car in person.
Kilgore Ford is dedicated to do everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1615 Highway 259 North in Kilgore.